Hi beautiful family, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's baby girl Glory. And today I bring to you another powerful treatment that will give you that massive hair growth that you desire. You will not believe how fast this DIY hair treatment works. If you have been struggling with slow hair growth, thinning hair or hair loss, this is the remedy you need. Only thing you need to do is just to stay tuned with me to the end, because I will show you how to use this for best results and also how to prepare it for best results. So let's go and make this powerful remedy. The first thing I need is to bring my jar, and my jar is super clean. My first ingredient is fenugreek. Fenugreek seeds are rich in source of iron and protein, have nutrients for hair growth, provide moisture, stimulate hair growth, strengthen hair and soften the overall hair texture, fight dandruff, prevent hair loss and enhance hair shine, promote scalp healthy and add thickness to your hair. I use 1 tablespoon of my fenugreek seed. Moving on to my second ingredient is bay leaf. Bay leaf boosts hair growth, rich of antioxidants and essential oils. The compound on bay leaf work to stimulate blood circulation to the hair roots and also have a higher nutrient to deliver to the hair roots, enhance faster hair growth. I use up to 8 to 10 pieces of my bay leaf. Moving on to my third ingredient is rosemary. Rosemary boosts hair growth. Rosemary improves circulation to the hair follicles, acts as antioxidant, improves scalp healthy and strengthens hair. Hair protects hair against falling. It contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that stimulates hair growth and reduce hair fall. I also make use of 1 tablespoon of my rosemary. My next thing, I bring in my hot water, pour in hot water on it and stir it around, cover it up. I'm going to allow this to infuse for 12 hours. So after 12 hours, this is what I have gotten so far. I bring my bowl and my shifter to collect my tea spray. Do you see how color this tea spray colors? This tea spray is so potent. Just stay tuned to see the next thing I will do. Just stay tuned to see how to use this for effective way to boost that faster hair growth, to grow that your hair overnight. So next thing, I bring another bowl and this is my aloe vera. I've already cut my aloe vera in a small sizable, soak it over close to an hour. This part is very necessary, okay? Make sure you soak your aloe vera in water at least 40 minutes to 30 minutes before you start using it, to remove those yellow liquid things. That yellow liquid thing in aloe vera cause scalp irritation, is not good to your hair, okay? So it's very necessary you do this part. And amount of the aloe vera, this is the little amount of aloe vera I have at home. So if you have bigger aloe vera, please feel free to make use of it. I can't keep myself by myself, so I'm using what I have available, okay? Aloe vera help repair damaged skin cell on the scalp. It also acts as great conditioner and leave your hair all smooth and shiny. It promotes healthy hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduce dandruff and condition your hair, boost scalp healthy, removing yellow liquid thing, removing as in help to stop itching scalp. If you do not remove that yellow things, if you not soak this aloe vera like 1 hour or 40 minutes or 20 minutes, believe me, you will not get that good result, okay? So I just use my spoon to scoop out the aloe vera gel, okay? What we are needing is the gel, okay? So after then, I use this my shift cloth to collect the gel, to collect the pure gel, because after scooping it with the spoon with the fake, there are still little particles of the aloe vera on it. So to make it be more pure, okay, more gel, I don't know what to use, but I hope you're understanding me. So after doing that, this is a little aloe vera gel I got. Like as I said before, please, if you have bigger aloe vera, please feel free to make use of it. Believe me, if you have access to more a larger quantities of aloe vera, this condition will do more great work for you, believe me. If you don't have larger aloe vera and this the little amount of aloe vera you can provide like me, it also get that amazing result. So you don't need to kill yourself by yourself, you get it? So it is what it is. So I'm going to mix it together with the other teas, with other mixture of my tea. So I mix it together with it and stir it around, make it to mix up very well, and transfer it to my spray bottle. Our overnight tea spray is ready, but keep on watching to see how to use it. There is some secrets I will tell you on how to use this to make it more effectively. So if you click out at this moment, believe me, you're going to miss that part. So for you not to miss that part, watch this video to the end so you get all the instruction on how to use this, okay, to get that massive overnight hair growth. Believe me, this is really indeed overnight hair growth, no joke with it, okay? So this is how my hair look like. My hair is dry and thirsty. I'm going to use the treatment now to hydrate my hair, to give my hair this loving tender care, because this treatment will take my hair to next level. So I'm going to give my hair the goodie of the treatment by using it to hydrate my hair, moisturize my hair, revive my hair, bring my hair back to life, keep my hair super moisturized and super healthy, okay? So first thing I will say about the treatment for you to get best result on this treatment is be consistent, okay? Consistent is the key. Do not use the treatment once and you expect it to happen magically. Please be consistent. Apply this tea spray the way I'm about to direct you now. Believe me, you will see massive hair growth. This treatment will grow your hair overnight. Yes. So how to use this tea spray is the way I'm using it now, as a leave-in tea spray. Moisturize your hair with it, rather hydrate your hair with it, follow up with your leave-in condition and your oil. Make sure you massage your scalp after applying it and make sure that you work in very well. This treatment, you can use it both on your scalp and on the strands of your hair, okay? Make sure you hydrate your hair very well with this and also work it in very well and see in the moisture with your leave-in condition and your leave-in and your hair growth oil. Then massage your scalp very well, okay? So the next thing again to make this tea spray more effective and more powerful is after using it, please cover up your hair with a shower cap, okay? And leave it to sit for 20 to 25 minutes or 15 minutes. Then remove your shower cap and allow your hair to air dry. With this way, this tea spray will grow your hair that overnight. Or if you want to go extreme mind, you can cover it and leave it overnight. Use it in the night. Leave it overnight, so the next day remove your shower cap. You will see how your hair will feel. Guys, I can't wait to get feedback when you use this tea spray on your hair, okay? So another way to use this again is to use it as a final thin rinse, okay? Pour it all over your hair whenever you shampoo your hair, do all your wash day routine. Guys, please, if you are hearing any noise in the background, please, I'm so sorry, I can't hold it. This not have been distracting me to do this voiceover, but please just bear with me, okay? So pour it all over after washing your hair, okay? Pour it all over and massage your scalp, okay? Cover up your hair with your shower cap. Allow it to still for 30 to 45 minutes. Remove your shower cap, go on and moisturize your hair. But if you like, you can raise it up, but believe me, there's no need of raising this thing out on your hair. And the best way to use it, believe me, using it as a leave-in tea spray. And how many times can you apply this to get best result, to grow that your hair overnight? Use it 2 to 3 times in a week. Believe me, you're going to see how your hair will grow like never before. So let me know in comment section below, have you used fenugreek seed before on your hair? Have you used bay leaf on your hair before? Let me know in comment section below, what is your result when you use it on your hair? Let me know in comment section below, okay? So guys, if you have not subscribed up to this point, please help me to click that subscribe button. Believe me, you will never regret joining this beautiful family. I teach how to grow your hair healthy, fuller and longer without you breaking the bank with DIY's home remedy. I myself am into the journey, so let's grow our hair together this 2025 and let's see how we can grow our hair with the help of the DIY I share in this channel, okay? Welcome to the family. My returning subscriber, I love you guys so much. Thank you for always come back to watch my videos, okay? I do not take you guys on granted. Please help me to like this video. It really encouraged me and also it helped the growth of the channel, okay? Lastly, share this video to your family and friends so that they can get the good news on today's video, so that they can also grow their hair this year. Okay, so guys, I've come to end of today's video. I love you guys so much, but God love you most. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there and be safe out there. Bye. Mwah.